Walla! Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
One giant clump. That's probably a little better. I'm all leafy.
You're leafy.
Leafy.
Fantastic beasts are welcome here. Oh wow. It's another one. So today is our first full day in York and our last day here, sadly. Look at this building. Start the vlog with that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Excited for adventure today?
I'm super excited.
Yeah. So I hope everybody enjoys it.
Yeah.
I don't even know what it's going to be about, but I hope you enjoy it. Look at this cat up here. The shop that must not be named. You can buy all the wands. It says, feel free to use a time turner if you miss us. Promise Beth a cat video. So here's some cats. Want me to get out of it? These are the shambles. They're so cool. It's shrinking like the shrinking mill. If you really like fudge and sweets, this is a place for you. Sadly, we do not like sweet things very much, but oh my goodness. It'd be a delight if you had a sweet tooth. It happened again. It always happens. Every time I turn the camera on, the bells stop. But it looks really cool. Let's go adventure on a wall. Okay? Come on. Hurry up. All of our videos for 2 days are just going to be us on walls. Okay? Yeah, this is an edible garden.
So I'm gonna eat this stick.
Yeah, I don't think you should eat the spiky stick. But you could. This looks like hops right here. I don't think that's necessarily edible raw, which I think is something you have to take into account when you decide that the whole garden is edible. What up, Beaverton? Black Betty Black IPA. Greetings over here. What up, Life and Death IPA?
What up, America?